Okay guys, now don't get scared when I tell you this, but for this body wash, it is $16. I know, which makes it the most expensive body wash I've reviewed to date, but there's more. Since we're on the topic, let me know in the comments below if I should buy the $80 bar of Tom Ford soap. Yeah, Tom Ford has an $80 bar of soap that I will get and review if you guys want me to. Hey, what's going on? My name is Chris, and on this channel I like to do men's clothing, grooming, and lifestyle product reviews just like this one. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the meat and potatoes. So first and foremost, this stuff comes out black, which I didn't know. So it caught me off guard at first. I was like, is it supposed to do this? I was like, oh shit, did it get like a old bottle or something like that? No, this stuff comes out black, just so you know. Let's start off with that. Also, it has a low viscosity, so it comes out pretty liquidy compared to other body washes. It's not like super thick or anything like that. Just a note, the opening up here on the top is so small that it doesn't come out too fast, and you're not like, you know what I mean though. It's not crazy, so we're good there. I know this bottle's small, but you really don't have to use that much to get a good lather going, and this stuff does lather up really nicely. I actually use a loofah, and with that and maybe a silver dollar size worth of body wash here. And I know I say this every time I do a body wash review, but damn, this stuff lathers up good. It's like, this might be one of the best. Actually, no, I know it is one of the best. It is more than enough to cover up my body, and it washes off thoroughly, so I don't feel like there's any residue. Wasn't any noticeable residue or, you know, like white spots or anything like that left over on my skin. Now, I do feel like it left enough nutrients in my skin as well. My skin felt pretty soft. I actually didn't feel the need to reapply lotion until like 3 or 4 showers in. Now, I do want to note that it is colder right now, so your skin does dry out faster during that. So just take that into account. But overall, this stuff left my skin feeling pretty nice and soft. So check there, check box on that one. So after shower, the scent carried enough to where my girlfriend was like, hey, that stuff smells good. Like she smelled it all up on my skin. I was like, hey girl, what you doing? I was like, hey, calm down. And I didn't ask her about it. So that, again, another check box that passed the girlfriend test. Now, I know you're like, hey, that's a small bottle, but let me tell you, I've been using this for about 2 weeks. I think I switched over to one of my Cremo bottles for like maybe 1 or 2 showers or anything like that, but it's still probably like right there, dead serious. So when I say you can get a lot out of a little, you really can. I don't think you need a huge bottle of this. You might have to dial it back to what you're used to putting on, but like I said before, it definitely lathers up a lot better than most, if not all. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this packaging real quick. First and foremost, this all black is super slick. I mean, just sitting on my counter or something like that, I'm like, that's mine. Like, it just looks cool. Even the emblem, the black wolf thing, it looks cool. Matter of fact, it actually came in this cool box. You can see here, that's the logo on the box on the outside of it. And then inside was like black too. I was like, oh, you know, they put some effort into it. The body wash actually came saran wrapped, and then inside this black baggie as well, just in case, you know, it did, the pop happened to top off. The top happened to pop off or something like that for whatever reason, then it was still in this like vacuum seal kind of baggie as well, which was still cool. And now you can kind of tell that this is probably made by some younger guys. The packaging is filled with like small jokes, like on the back of this, it says, with great power comes a little bit of responsibility. Not only that, but the directions on the back of the body wash, the last direction I want to just point out really quick is that it says, so sad that we need to tell you this, but ... rinse thoroughly. And when I read that, it actually made me chuckle a little bit. I was like, yeah, I appreciate that. And also, this bad boy is made in the USA, so there's that. It is 10 fluid ounces or 300 milliliters, so it is definitely on the smaller side. Just to give you an idea, most bottles will range from about 14 ounces all the way up to, I've seen some are like 18 or 19. I think it'll still last you around the same length of time. You just have to be a little bit more moderate and, you know, not just stand in there like some people do. I got scared for a second when I turned it upside down. You can actually get a 3-pack of this body wash for $45. So you can save, no, what is it, 45? It's $43, and you can save $5 on it. And anything above a $20 purchase is free shipping. So you know, there's some incentive to it. Or if you have an Amazon Prime account, then it's on Amazon as well, and it's the same price. It looks like, from what I can tell, the store is ran by the actual owner of the company, so that's good. And you have one more option. If you want to save 15% on your purchase, you can actually sign up for their subscription service, which is, you know, they just send you your body wash monthly or however you choose, and you can save 15% when you sign up for it. And I actually got the shower bundle, which was 45 bucks, and that came with the body wash, the face wash, the face scrub, and then a moisturizer. So I'll be doing a separate video on the facial stuff just because I feel, you know, it's two different products. But I will note that they all have the same scent across each product, which I really like. I think that's how it should be done. Which brings me to my next point. Whatever. The scent is definitely more of a traditional smell. The top note is very citrusy. Maybe an orange peel is what I was kind of getting up on. I also found that part of it is blue sage, but I couldn't find everything in there. But it is like a traditional kind of citrusy smell to it, but it's really good overall. The scent does last for a good little while after you get out of the shower. It's not too overbearing. Like, you know, old guys, they have those body washes that I don't know what they're putting on, or I don't know if it's like their laundry or what it is, but you can smell them from like 10 miles away, and you're like, is that your cologne? What is that? I don't know, but it's not, this is not that for sure. The scent overall though just kind of feels like something I've smelled before. I can't place what it is, but it just feels a little typical of smell, which it's not a huge drawback for me, but at this price point, I guess I would like to smell something a little bit more unique. Now, for the availability, you can't buy this in stores from anywhere I've seen yet. I haven't seen it in Target or any other big box store like that, but you can get it off of Amazon, like I said before, and it is an Amazon Prime product. Damn, couldn't get that off. So you get a free 2-day shipping on it. Or if you want, you can get it straight off their website, which I will leave a link in the description for both of them below. Also, if you are wondering about the facial scrub and the wash and all that other stuff, or if you're looking for men's grooming, clothing, and lifestyle product reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because they're definitely on the way. And I know that a lot of people liked the news kind of fashion trends updates, so I'll probably keep doing those. So just from this video alone, do you think you'll be willing to dish out the $16 for one body wash? At this point, I am. And before I forget, because I almost forgot the whole point of this, would I buy it again at this point? Yeah, I actually would. But that's gonna be it for this one, guys. And as always, I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.